Welcome to Trickey's Kitchen, where delicious food is made easy. Today in Trickey's Kitchen, we will be making a blueberry mascarpone cream cake. If you're looking for an easy cake recipe that makes a big impression with the guests, then this blueberry mascarpone cream cake will do just that. It has layers of fluffy vanilla sponge, fresh blueberries filling, and mascarpone whipped cream frosting, and it is light, fruity, and perfect for spring. So let's get started with the ingredients. These are the ingredients for the cake batter. And now the ingredients for the mascarpone whipped cream frosting. Preparatory step: grease and line 2 8-inch cake tins. Also, preheat the oven to the temperature shown. The method. Let's start with the first stage and prepare the cake batter. So add the egg whites to a large mixing bowl and whisk. Then add in half the quantity of sugar and whisk until soft peaks form. When soft peaks form, set it aside. Now take another mixing bowl and add in the egg yolks, vanilla extract, corn syrup and the remaining sugar, and whisk until the mixture is pale and leaves a thick trail. Now add in the oil and continue to whisk. Now sift in the dry ingredients, that's the self-raising flour, salt and the baking powder. Fold it into the mixture. You could whisk for a few seconds, but remember, do not overmix. Now add 2 spoons of the egg whites that we had set aside and mix well to loosen the mixture. When the mixture is sufficiently loosened, spoon in the remaining egg whites. And very gently fold the egg whites into the mixture. Remember to do it slowly and carefully because we want the batter to be light, airy and fluffy. Then spoon the mixture equally into the prepared tins. And bake in a preheated oven for 20 to 25 minutes. In Trickey's case, it took exactly 25 minutes. Remove the cakes from the oven when done and allow them to cool slightly. You will know the cake is done when the skewer inserted into the center of the cake comes out clean. Then loosen the sides and transfer the cakes to a wire rack to cool completely. Now let's prepare the mascarpone whipped cream frosting. So add the double cream, icing sugar and vanilla extract to a mixing bowl and whisk until soft peaks form. When soft peaks have formed, add in the mascarpone cheese and whisk lightly until just combined. Now place the first cake bottom side up on a cake stand and optionally you can brush the top with sugar syrup as shown in the top right corner. Then layer the frosting over the top. You can put as much or as little as desired and evenly spread it all over using a palette knife. Add a generous layer of fresh blueberries. And evenly cover the top with mascarpone whipped cream frosting. Now place the second cake with the bottom side up over the first cake, and again optionally brush the top with sugar syrup as shown in the top right corner. Evenly cover the top with mascarpone whipped cream frosting. Make a decorative pattern of your choice and mark out 6 sections of the cake. Then pipe rosettes on each section. At this point, you can use your creativity to decorate the cake as you wish. Finish off by topping the cake with fresh blueberries. Then refrigerate until set and ready to serve. And then neatly cut the cake into slices. Then transfer onto a serving tray and enjoy this blueberry mascarpone cream cake with a comforting cup of your favorite tea. And there you have it, a blueberry mascarpone cream cake. It is light, fruity and perfect for spring. So thank you for stopping by. Do hope you will give this recipe a try. Have lots of fun in the process as you toy, and most of all, don't forget to enjoy. Trickey's Kitchen has lots of other delicious recipes that you would like to try out, so be sure to click on the video link on your screen right now and watch another video, and subscribe to Trickey's Kitchen if you haven't yet for more delicious recipes.